Hi, parents. This is Coach V from the Academic Gym, here to give you today's tag tip. Tag is the academic gym. This is a beach ball. Obviously, you knew that. What did I do that can help you teach your kids how to spell well and read well? All right. If you ever see me in the academic gym, this is one of my secret weapons. So now I took this beach ball, which you can get on Amazon. I took my marker, a permanent marker, and I just wrote some letters on this. This is EC. Okay, that's a syllable. It has a vowel and a consonant. Did you see that? EC on the yellow. I'll turn my ball this way. Oh, look what I wrote. AC. That's AC. This is ek. Turn my ball around. This is ick. IC spells ick. Turn my ball around. OC spells ok. And finally, UC spells uck. Now in the green, I don't have anything, so that could be an anything ball. What I do is I toss this to my students, and I say, spell the syllabic combination AC. AC spells ack. I don't use the word syllabic combination, like who would know that? I would just say, when I throw you the ball, look at the red sphere, look at the red side, and say what you see, and they'll say AC. And then I'll say AC spells ack. You can do this, parents. EC spells ek. Keep tossing that ball. IC spells ick. OC spells ok. And UC spells uck. Now, what's so cool about this is that you are repeating the vowel sounds, right? If I go back here, okay, ah, that's the vowel sound ah. And it's in the syllable ak. You're also repeating the k sound, that consonant sound. This is a powerful tool to help your kids become more grounded, more aware of the alphabet and its sounds, specifically the vowel and the consonant sound. And you toss the ball and they throw it back at you and you join them, right? So let's go out, throw it to you. You go, hey, yellow. EC spells ek. Ek. IC spells ick. Ick. Do you see that? OC spells ok. Ok. I'm just emphasizing the sounds for you to see what they're learning. And UC spells uck. Isn't that awesome? So now they're learning their syllabic tables or their syllable tables. These are spelling combinations. Think of all the words that have AC, like action, or even the word back, or rack, or sack, or jack. Think of all the words that have EC inside of them, right? Like deck, and wreck, and peck. Think of all the words with IC, pick and lick, sick, rick, okay? OC, clock and dock and rock. UC, puck and duck, okay? And luck. All of these words. And of course, with those words, you add a K. So you have UCK. That K has the K sound also. These are cool spelling tools. This is an awesome tool. Why? Because you can make it at home. Step 1, get a beach ball. Step 2, permanent marker. Write the sounds on it. But what sounds, right? These are syllable sounds, and they have the spelling of the the vowel and the consonant. Where do you get these from? Go to my website, and you will see, click on the link below, and you'll get a listing of these tables that you can write on the balls. This is table 4, line 1. And I just wrote one line on one ball. You can do the same. These are the short vowel sounds, the short syllable sounds. Oh my goodness. Have fun. Get your kids moving. Integrate movement with spelling. Kids love this. Toss the ball high so they can't catch it. Take it outside. Roll the ball around. But all the time, keep pronouncing their syllables. Keep them repeating. Ak, ek. Let's try it again. Ak, ek, ick, ok. The foundations for spelling, the foundations for syllables, the foundations for learning their vowels, and a simple spelling ball. Yes, you can do this. It is so much fun. That's your tag tip for today. Bye, Coach V from Tag, the Academic Gym. I'm having too much fun here.